everybody, welcome back to the DIY Designer. I'm very excited about today's episode because this is actually a jacket that I sold when I had my clothing line Tuck and West, and it sold out really fast and I was never able to make more. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually make it yourself. This jacket here, which is the one that I did for Tuck and West, was inspired by the original version, which was by Valentino. I loved the juxtaposition between the feminine butterfly embroidery on a camo jacket. I just thought that that was so cool. And I'm also going to be doing a different technique added into this jacket to give it a little bit of sparkle. And I learned this technique from someone I would not have ever imagined was a DIYer, a girl after my own heart, Andi Dorfman of Bachelor and Bachelorette fame. She came on Home and Family the other day. Turns out to be the sweetest, coolest chick ever. Major girl crush. She lives in New York. It's unfortunate because we could be best friends. You hear that, Andi? Best friends. But she made this jacket. Take a look. Can you tell me a little bit about this jacket, please?
You guys are enamored by this.
Yeah.
It's a regular jacket that I
It's not regular. She's lying. It's not regular.
And then I decided to add some sparkle. So I got out my nail polish.
All that sparkle is nail polish. She's a genius. Isn't that so cool? Nail polish. I never in a million years would have thought to use nail polish on a fashion DIY. So I'm really stoked to show you guys how to do it. It's super easy. Let's get started. So here are my pretty butterfly iron-on patches. I'm just gonna lay them down to create my design. Kind of look at it, step back, see what feels right to you. If you turn it over, you're gonna see that there's sheen on the back side. That's actually the glue. So when you iron it, it melts and seeps into your jacket. Really work your way around the corners, making sure to avoid any plastic or any buttons or anything like that. If you peel back on all the corners and they're not set, just give it a little more attention until it feels really, really seeped in. Anytime you're doing patches, you always want to go from the back side as well. So flip the jacket over, go about 15 to 20 seconds on the back. This is my nail polish. I didn't buy anything fancy. I just wanted something metallic. And I worked along the edges. At first I did these really thin lines and sort of alternated colors on the jacket, but then I decided I wanted to focus just on the dark green sections of the jacket and go in thicker, stronger pops of color. So I really focused on that one color and went a little more depth. That way that color would really pop. So it gave me a really nice pattern, and as I stepped back, I was able to see this really great pattern that was created. So much. It's a really, really fun jacket. I love the fact that the bright colors and the glitter are on a faded out camo jacket. I think it's super cool. Now, if you notice that the corners of your jackets are starting to come up a little bit, you can stitch them down. I did that for Tuck and West. I stitched them down because some fabrics have a little bit of like a film on them and they don't want to adhere that glue. So a little bit E6000 or a little bit of stitching will keep those down forever. And how fun is that nail polish? Thank you so much, Andi, for that idea. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. I really appreciate you watching. Mwah! I will see you next time. Peace out.